Tunay na siya na kaibigan mo. Lunes hanggang Linggo, beaches they come, they go. Saturday to Sunday, Monday, till meron sa Monday mo.
Check. 3 minutes warm up both teams.
Sa pang-iisipan ba tayo dapat nagsisimula? Baby, pakiusap. Kung magpapakilala sana,
Check.
mira ang lahat sa hawa.
Before this game starts, FRBL team would like to thank the following sponsors:
Sikat-sikat siya ng
Canos PH, Marquis, Pradelo, Zero Drop, Sandys, Haladala, and Caroxy Lugan. Thank you so much, sponsor. Love you all. Salvacion to Jetan, floater is good 2 points. Assist for Salvacion. Abrigo, surveying the D to Lopez. Lopez, 3-pointer, wide open. It's good again. Lopez, Ray. 3 out of 3 shooting. Lanay, jumper, no good. Number 4 got the ball to Lopez. Lopez running. Lopez attacking. To number 28, Abrigo at 2 points. Great assist by Lopez. Timeout, Marquez. Hot hands for Lopez. 3 out of 3 shooting from the outside. 17-6 our score. 11-point lead. Back to the ball game. Ulanay. Tutay. Jetan. Jumper. No good. Number 4 got the rebound. Lopez to Abrigo. Abrigo running. Abrigo attacking. Abrigo. No foul goal. Ulanay got the ball. Ulanay running. 2-3 situation. Ulanay jumper. It's good. 2 points for Ulanay. Lopez. Surveying the D. Lopez. Kick out to number 28. Jumper is good, 2 points. Magpantay to Lanay. Lanay to Salvacion. Will pick up the ball and turn over. Pratelo ball. Abrigo. To number 90. No good. Salvacion got the ball to Lanay. Lanay jumper again. 2 points. It's good. Both teams already changed 5. 9-point lead for Pratelo. Vicencio to number 20. To number 4 on the paint. Got fouled. Foul number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 4. First free throw no good for number 4. Second free throw is good for number 4. 10-point lead, Pratelo. Lanay to Salvacion. Salvacion, back to Lanay. Kuwetas to back to Lanay. 3-pointer. No good. Same ball. Change 5. Seconds of the shot clock. Saludes to Ezequiel. Ezequiel attacking. Ezequiel fake. Ezequiel kick out to Halili. Corner kick. No good. Urto na get the ball. Number 2. Bring na the ball. Number 2. Urtola. Kick out to De Luna. De Luna to number 6. Fake. 5 seconds to shoot. Jumper. No good. Saludes got the ball. Saludes to Saicon. Saicon fake. Saicon. 2 points. Easy 2 points for Saicon. Sengun. Number 2. Pasumatas, kick out to De Luna. De Luna, three-pointer. No good. Ortola got the rebound. Same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 2, back to Ortola. Ortola, corner, two-pointer. No good. Foul number 23. First personal foul number 23. Eight-point lead for Pratelo. Ezekiel, back to Saludes. Saludes, the honor. No good. De Luna got the ball. Number 2, attacking. Number 2. No good. Papot got the ball. Still by number 6. Number 6, no good. Ezekiel got the ball. Ezekiel to Halili. Halili. To Angeles. Angeles to Halili. Halili. No good. Matias got the rebound. Number 6, Puante. Puante to Ortola. Ortola to De Luna. To number 2, three-pointer is good. 3 points for number 2. 11-point lead for Pratelo. Ezekiel to Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Halili again. Halili, three-pointer. No good. Same ball. 6 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds. Saigon to Saludes. Saludes to Ezekiel. Ezekiel, three-pointer near the line. No good. But fouled. Technical foul number 23. Technical free throw is good. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Jambol yun na, jambol. Araw na doon.
Ezekiel, fake. Ezekiel attacks. Ezekiel to Halili. Halili. 3 seconds. Ezekiel, fake. Ezekiel, three-pointer. No good. Angeles got the ball. Fake. Angeles. No good. Matias got the ball. Matias to number 2. Foul number 30. First personal foul number 30. Second team foul.
Dito na bola, sa Brown.
Sempio, 14 seconds to shoot. Sempio, three-pointer. No good. Saludes got the ball. Saludes to Ezekiel. Ezekiel to Halili. Halili. Same ball. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. Halili to Saludes. To Saigon. To Angeles. 10 seconds. Ezekiel. Saigon got the ball again. Ezekiel to Angeles. To Saigon. Saigon loaders. Good. 2 points for Saigon. Sengun on the paint, 2 points. Still, Saludes. 3v1. Saludes, no good. Number 6, Puante. Got the ball to De Luna. De Luna to Siembo. Siembo, no good. Ezekiel got the ball to Saigon. Saigon, dribbling the ball. Double team, Ortola. Still. Ortola to Siembo, to De Luna. 2 points, De Luna. 10-point lead for Pratelo. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining on the first quarter. 14 seconds to shoot. Saludes will try. 3-pointer, no good. Matias got the ball. De Luna to Siempo. Siempo to Urtula. To number 6. Juan, no good. Halili. Plays again. Back to Halili. Halili, 3-pointer. It's good. 3 points for Halili. That too long. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Puante. No good. Matias, second chance opportunity is good. 2 points. 10 to shoot. Halili. 5 seconds to shoot. Long piece. Nunes. No good. End of the first quarter. Nine-point lead for Fratello. 27-18 our official score.
Ayun doon. Yan.
Start of the second quarter. Brown ball po.
Rumble, jumble yun, jumble.
Brown ball po. Abrigo. To number 20, Baja. No good. Marquis ball. Salvacion, back to Ulanday. Ulanday. To Castillo, back to Ulanday. Ulanday, back to Castillo. Castillo, three-pointer. Is good. 3 points for Castillo. 6-point lead for Fratello. Still by Jatan. Ulanday running. Ulanday attacking. Ulanday. No good but fouled. Number 71 personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Ulanday. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good for Ulanday. Abrigo. To number 71, Di Dios. Maligat. Jetan got the ball. Pass to Ulanday. Ulanday. Attacking. Ulanday to Castillo. Back to Ulanday. Jumper is good. 2 points. 2-point lead for Fratello. Abrigo to Lopez. Lopez long three-pointer. Woo! Is good. Lopez 3. 5-point lead for Fratello. Huertas. Back to Ulanday. Still by number 10, Abrigo. Abrigo running. 2 points for Abrigo. Ulanday. To Salvacion. Salvacion will try the jumper. 2-pointer, no good. He just get the ball. To Abrigo. Abrigo, 1v1 situation. To Lopez. Lopez 3-pointer again. It's good. Lopez 3. 5 out of 5 3-point shooting. 14 seconds to shoot. Huertas. To Jetan, to Salvacion, no good, to Gus Catariba, to Abrigo. 1v1 situation again, Abrigo. No good, Castillo got the ball to Ulanday. Ulanday, bring down the ball. Salvacion. Got fouled. Foul number 20. First personal foul for number 20. 13 foul. 2 free throws for Salvacion. First free throw is good for Salvacion. Second free throw is good for Salvacion. Lopez bringing down the ball. Lopez to number 20. The loader is good. Number 20, 2 points. Landay. To Salvacion. Back to Landay. To Huertas jumper. No good. Number 20, para get the ball. To Abrigo. To Lopez. Lopez got fouled. Foul number 19. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds of the shot clock. Back to Lopez. Lopez corner three. No good. Second chance opportunity, number 20. 2 points for number 20 is good. Landay, the corner is good. 3. Landay. Abrigo to Lopez. Lopez. 3-pointer again. Lopez. Hot hands for Lopez. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday, 3-pointer. No good. Lopez running. 2v2 situation. Lopez attacking. Lopez got fouled. Foul number 15, first personal foul. 13 foul. First free throw no good for Lopez. Second free throw is good for Lopez. Timeout, Marquis. Back to the ball game. Landay. Jetan didn't get the ball. Pass to Abrigo to Lopez. Alley-oop! Lopez. What a pass for Abrigo. 2 points for Lopez. Castillo with time. Corner. No good. The Diyos got the rebound. Pass to Lopez. Lopez. Marquis ball. What a great pass there. Landay. To Salvacion. Salvacion fakes. Salvacion attacks. Salvacion. 2 points. Salvacion. Abrigo. Dribbling, Abrigo, attacking to Lopez. Lopez being defended by, Lopez! The time, points, no good. Salvacion got the ball. Ulanday being defended by Barra. Nalusutan, Huertas, jumper is good. Change 5.
Hindi makita kahit nag-shoot dito sa kabila.
Lopez shooting 9 out of 7 on a 3-point arc. Great hands by Lopez.
Thank you.
Matias fakes. Capuante to De Luna. 14 seconds to shoot. De Luna will try 3-pointer. No good. Saludes got the ball. Pass to Rimbao. Rimbao, 2 points. Rimbao. Siempo. Kick out to Buhante. No good. Ezequiel got the ball. To Saludes. Saludes. Waiting for his teammate. Rimbao. Fake. Pass to Saludes. Saludes. 2 points. Great assist by Rimbao. Our official score is 45-37 in favor of Pratelo. Siempio to Urtola. Urtola will try the 3-pointer. No good. Foul number 23. Second personal foul for number 23. Warning for penalty, Pratelo. Rimbao to Saludes. No good. Matias got the ball. Puante bringing down the ball to Sempio. Sempio. Attack. No good. Saludes got the ball. Saludes to Lizardo. Lizardo to Rimbao to Ezequiel. Back to Rimbao. Back to Ezequiel. Ezequiel. No good. Got fouled. Foul number 2. First personal foul number 2. Penalty. First, we know it's good for Ezequiel. Both we know it's good for Ezequiel. 6-point lead for Pratelo. Sempio. Sempio, 3-pointer. It's good. 3 points for Sempio. Rimbao. Dribbling. Rimbao to Ezequiel. Back to Rimbao. Rimbao. Kick out to Halili. Halili. 3-pointer. No good. Lizardo got the ball. 2 points for Lizardo. 7-point lead for Pratelo. 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining on the time. Urtola attacks. Urtola kick out to Puante. Wide open 3-pointer. No good. Saludes get the ball. Pass to Rimbao. Rimbao running. 3v1 situation. Rimbao attacks. No foul called. Urtola to Matias. Matias to Sempio. Sempio. 2 points no good but fouled. Foul number 1. First personal foul number 1. 13 foul. 2 free throws for Sempio. First free throw no good for Sempio. Second free throw no good for Sempio. De Luna got the ball. De Luna back to Siempo. 10 seconds to shoot. Sempio, 3-pointer. No good. Lizardo got the ball. Pass to Rimbao. Rimbao attacking the paint. Rimbao got fouled. Penalty. Pratelo. Foul number 2. Second personal foul number 2. Penalty. First free throw no good for rebound. Second free throw no good for rebound. De Luna rebounded the ball. 7-point lead pa rin for Pratelo. Sempio. Back to Sempio. Puhante, fake, Puhante, jumper. No good. Ezekiel got the ball. To Saludes, Saludes, bringing down the ball. Saludes, Sempio got the ball. Sempio got fouled.
Kaya offensive.
Foul number 12, offensive foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Marquis warning for penalty na din po. Ortola, jumper is good. Ortola, 2 points. Ezekiel. Tulizardo to Saludes. Saludes attacks. Matias got the ball. Foul. Penalty. Number 3, second personal foul, penalty. First free throw is good for Matias. Second free throw no good for Matias. Saludes got the ball. Saludes to Lizardo. To Rimbao. Rimbao to Saludes. Saludes to Ezekiel. Back to Saludes to Rimbao. Rimbao back to Saludes. Saludes fake to Ezekiel. Halili, corner is good. Halili. "40 seconds remaining. Sempio. 14 seconds to shoot. Sempio. To Ortola. Ortola. 3-pointer. No good. Saludes rebounded the ball. 25 seconds. Saludes to Rimbao. Rimbao. 2 points. Assist for Saludes. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Sempio to De Luna. 5 seconds. Sempio attacking. Kick out to Puante. Puante. 3-pointer. No good. Ezekiel gets the ball. End of the first half. 5-point lead for Pratelo. Our official score is 51-46. Before the second half starts, F1BL team would like to thank the following sponsors: Carlos PH, Marquis, Pratelo, Zero Drop, Santis, Haladala, and Roxy Lugan. Once again, thank you so much, sponsors. I love you all.
Bawal ginagamit ko. Ginagamit.
Bal.
Nakuhaan pa.
To Lopez, 3-pointer. No good. Inbound, Olanday, Saludes, 3-pointer. It's good. Saludes. Abrigo. Presempio.
Si Lopez!
Back to Abrigo. 14 seconds to shoot.
Yan!
Lizardo got the ball.
One rebound. Kasi, Akilo, corner ulit.
Inbound to Olanday. No good. Number 9, Ibarra. Rimbaud with the ball. Rimbaud attacking. Rimbaud. 2 points for Rimbaud. Marquis got the lead. Lopez, long 3-pointer. No good. Olanday, Rimbaud. Pratelo ball.
Sige, baba na, sige na. Tara rin ba, baba na.
Marquis got the lead with the 3 points. Sempio to number 4. Number 4. Attacking number 4. 2 points for number 4. 1 point lead, Marquis. Ulanday to Rimbaud. Rimbaud to Saludes. Saludes, 3-pointer. No good. Sempio to Lopez. Lopez to Abrigo. Abrigo attacking. Abrigo. 2 points. Great move. Pratelo got the lead again by 1 point. Ulanday to Rimbaud. 14 seconds to shoot. Rimbaud. 3 seconds violation. Sempio bringing down the ball. Sempio to Abrigo. Back to Sempio. 3-pointer. Sempio is good. Sempio, 3 points. 4-point lead, Pratelo. Olanday to Saludes, back to Olanday. Olanday, attack, Olanday, jumper! No good, number 4 got the rebound. Number 4 to Lopez. Lopez, stop, 3-pointer! No good. Abrigo got the ball. Abrigo to Lopez. Lopez to Sempio. Great assist by Lopez. 2 points for Sempio. 6-point lead for Pratelo. 14 seconds to shoot. Ulanday back to Rimbaud. Rimbaud attack. Rimbaud to Lizardo. Lizardo 2 points with the foul. Foul number 20. Second personal foul number 20. First team foul. Bonus play is good for Lizardo. Substitution, Ezekiel in, Ulanday out. Sempio to number 4. Number 4 on the paint again. Number 4, jump, no good. Lizardo got the ball to Ezekiel. Foul, number 4. First personal foul for number 4. Second team foul ng Pratelo. Ezekiel to Jetan. What a great alley-oop. Jetan 2 points. Abrigo. Ezekiel got the ball. Foul. Number 28. Timeout. Pratelo Brewers. Number 38, first personal foul, third team foul. 1 point lead for Pratelo. Back to the ball game. Rimbaud back to Ezekiel. To Lizardo. Abrego take pass, but Rimbaud got the ball. Rimbaud, jumper no good. Lopez got the ball. Lopez to Abrego. Abrego, no good. Sempio got the ball to Lopez. Lopez fake to Barra. Barra attacks. To Abrego. 10 seconds to shoot. Abrego, the loader. No good. Ezekiel rebound to Lizardo. Lizardo to Saludes. Saludes attacks. Saludes, no good. Barra got the rebound to Lopez. Lopez. Turnover. Halili got the ball to Ezekiel. To Rimbaud. Rimbaud to Saludes. Saludes, 2 points. Marquis got the lead again by 1. 61-60 our official score. 4 minutes and 34 seconds remaining on the clock. Barra to Abrigo, the corner will try, no good. Number 4 got the rebound. To Lopez, Lopez, wide open, the corner, no good. Abrigo, turn around the crowd. Foul number 12. Second personal foul, number 12. First team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 4 to Lopez. To Puante. Puante attacks. Lizardo, deep pass. Lizardo got the ball. Lopez still. Lopez attacks. Second shot, 2 points for Lopez. 1 point lead again for Pratelo. Ezekiel, 14 seconds to shoot. Saludes, 20. Rimbaud to corner clearly. No good. Lopez got the rebound. Lopez to Abrigo. Out of bounds. Marquis Boy. 1 point lead for Pratelo. Rimbaud to Lizardo. Lizardo attacks. Lizardo spin. Lizardo floater. No good. Number 4 got the ball. Number 4 to Puante. Puante. He got Abrigo. Abrigo jumper. Got blocked by Rimbaud. Number 4 got the ball. Number 4 on the paint. Number 4 no good. Lizardo got the ball. Ezekiel to Halili. Halili waiting for his teammate. Back to Ezekiel. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Halili. To Lizardo. Lizardo attacks. Lizardo. Number 3 offensive foul. Second personal foul for number 3. Second team foul. Lopez, 3-pointer. No good. Lopez got the ball again. Lopez, Abrigo attacks. Abrigo, kick out to Puante. Puante floater. No good. Puante got the ball again. Puante again. 2 points for Puante. 3-point lead for Pratelo. 64-61 official score. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Number 30, second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws for Abrigo. First free throw no good for Abrigo. Second free throw is good for Abrigo. Ezekiel, 14 seconds to shoot. Well pass. Back to Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel, kick out to Rimbao. Rimbao slip. 5 seconds to shoot. Still, Puante running. Puante attacking. Puante. No good. Danili got the rebound. Danili to Rimbao. Rimbao. 2 points for Rimbao. 2-point lead for Pratelo. 1 minute and 29 seconds remaining on the clock. Puante to the Dios. The Dios. Deep pass by Rimbao. Rimbao running. Rimbao. Easy 2 points. All 65. Tying. Lopez to Puante. Puante with Puante. No good. Puante get the ball again. Puante spin to the Dios. To Abrigo. Abrigo wide open. Puante is good. Hooray for Abrigo.
Pwede, babaw.
14 seconds to shoot. Jetan to Rimbao. 10 seconds to shoot. Huertas. Back to Rimbao.
Right, right.
Rimbao. To Alori.
Nice pass.
3 seconds. Jetan. Again. Second chance opportunity is good for Jetan. 2 points. One-point lead for Pratelo. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rimbao to Ezekiel. Hey, Ezekiel jump in. Hassan Peter, 2 points. Hello po, players, sa mga manonood. Kanina po yung motor, color black na malaki daw po, nakaharang sa sasakyan, hindi makalabas. Color black na motor daw po. Inuulit ko po, color black na motor, nakaharang daw po, hindi makalabas ng sasakyan. Lahat ng mga may black na motor daw. Start at the fourth quarter. Two-point lead for Pratelo. Lopez, straight. Lopez, sidestep to Minor. Woo! 3 points for Lopez. Renday to Rimbao. 14 seconds to shoot. Rimbao. Too much force on the pass. Turning it over. Sempio. To Abrigo, to Sempio. To number 4. Lopez again. Long corner. No good. Ulanday running. Ulanday attacking. Ulanday no good. Number 4 get the ball. Number 4 to Abrigo. 1v1 situation. Abrigo below is good. 2 points. Salvacion. 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound Ulanday. 10 seconds to shoot. Salvacion. No good. Lopez to Sempio. Sempio attacks. Same ball. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. Abrigo to Lopez. Back to Abrigo. Abrigo attacks. Abrigo. Lopez to Abrigo. To Matias. 9 seconds violation. 7-point lead for Fratello. Rebound, they drive the 3-pointer. No good.
Hindi, yung motor yata yung nakaharap.
Sempio. 14 seconds to shoot. Sempio running. Sempio stop. Jumper, no good. Lizardo to Rimbao. Rimbao to Huertas. Huertas to Saludes. 14 seconds to shoot. Saludes. No good, but fouled. Foul number 7. First personal foul. First team foul.
Santo kay Jason.
Saludes, 3-pointer is good. 3 points for Saludes.
Ikaw, nasakay ko, nasakay mo.
3-point lead for Fratello. 14 seconds to shoot. Sempio to Abrigo. 10 seconds to shoot. Abrigo to number 4. 5 seconds to shoot. Sempio fake. To Abrigo. No good. Saludes got the ball.
Ababin!
Rimbao attacks. Rimbao. 2 points. Rimbao. 1-point lead for Fratello.
Ikaw, nasakay ko ulit. Tingin, sabi.
14 seconds to shoot.
Kita.
10 seconds to shoot. Lopez being defended by Lizardo. Lopez, the winner is good. Lopez. Top of the key, 3 points by Lopez. 14 seconds to shoot. Saludes. No good. Lopez, Abrigo, 1v1 situation, Abrigo. 2 points for Red Group. Timeout. Mark E. 6-point lead for Pratero. Our next game, Big CS Boys versus Lure. Ezekiel, their point guard, pass to Lizardo. Lizardo got fouled. Foul number 31. First personal foul number 31. Second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Landay, 3-pointer. No good. Sempio to number 4. Mismatch. Sempio the very fouled. First little no good for number 4. Number 15, second personal foul, first team foul. Second little no good again for number 4. Rimbaud, surveying the D. 14 seconds, Rimbaud, 3-pointer. No good. Landay hustle, but Pratelo got the ball. Sempio running. Marquis ball. Rimbaud. To Olanday, 3-pointer. No good. Number 4 got the ball. To Sempio. Sempio to Lopez. Lopez. 3-pointer again. No good. Rimbaud got the ball. Rimbaud attacks. Rimbaud, no good. Vicencio got the ball. No, Rimbaud got the ball. Rimbaud to Lizardo. 2 points. Lizardo with a foul. Foul number 31. Second personal foul number 31. Third team foul. Bonus free throw is good for Lizardo. Sempio, 14 seconds to shoot. Sempio, jumper, no good. Lizardo got the ball. Rimbaud to Halili. Halili, 3-pointer. No good. Jetan got the ball. Jetan to Rimbaud. Rimbaud, 10 seconds to shoot. Abrigo to Lopez. Lopez, 2 points. What a great game here for Lopez. 5-point lead for Pratelo. 14 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Halili. Back to Ezekiel. 10 seconds to shoot. Ezekiel to Lizardo. Lizardo attacks. Lizardo no good. Sempio got the ball. Got fouled. Foul number 13. Third personal foul for number 13. Second team foul. Sempio to Abrigo. Abrigo no good. Lizardo to Ezekiel. Ezekiel. 14 seconds to shoot. Jetan jumper. No good. Number 4 got the ball. Ezekiel, still, Rimbaud, to Halili, Halili wide open, Baclo, 3-pointer. 2 2-point lead for Platero. Lopez, Lote. The win.
Si Jake na kukunin mo, si Jake kukunin.
Foul number 4. Substitution. Last 2 minutes. Platero warning for penalty. Halili, corner B. The good. Sempio. To Lopez. Lopez the loader. Oh, good. Everybody get the ball. Bang. Oh, good.
Pinorshot ng player mo.
Inbound. To Lizardo. Lizardo attacks. 10 seconds to shoot.
Number 2 ha. Warning ha. Bench tayo. Warning.
Foul number 2.
Number 2. Warning bench ha.
Penalty. Fratello. Bench warning. Lizardo. 2 free throws for Lizardo. First free throw is good for Lizardo. Both free throw is good for Lizardo. Tie game, all 85. Remaining time 1 minute and 12 seconds. Sempio. Sempio attacks to Abrigo. Abrigo. No good. Number 4 got the rebound. Got fouled. Third pa lang po, third team foul. Impound at the ball, steal. Impound, running. Impound. To Lizardo, Lizardo. Steal by Sempio. Abrigo to Lopez. Lopez attack, Lopez steal. Lopez got fouled. Number 30. Fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Lopez. First free throw is good for Lopez.
Okay, pag nakashoot na naman. Again bench.
Second free throw is good for Lopez. Timeout Martins. 2-point lead for Platero. 44.6 seconds remaining in this last quarter. Our next game, Big CS Boys versus Blue Ridge. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. Salud, it's still in time. Guys again. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound to Saludes. Saludes. 2 points. All 87 tie game. 25 seconds. Lopez. Defender. No good. Defender the ball. 20 seconds. Rebound to Lenday. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Saludes. Defender the ball. 5 seconds. Both teams penalty. Number 30, graduate. Number 30, graduate. Two free throws for Lopez. First free throw is good for Lopez. Second free throw no good for Lopez. What? Again! 1 point lead again. Top lost by Marquis. A crucial foul by Ezekiel. Our final score, 88-87. Florabella got the win. But before the both teams head home, picture po muna tayo. Thank you so much. Our next game, Big CS Boys versus Blue Ridge. What a game!